Okay, so we were just at our battle stations. Ty was working, I was writing letters. And once again, I got dropped from the internet. So, what Ty decided to do? Hey, what you doing, big guy?
I'm installing Wi-Fi.
What is it?
A line guard. I think it's upside down.
And you're using my soft blanket as a tarp.
Yeah, that's nice. You think I should use 3 strips or just 2 strips?
What are you doing?
Taping this to the... I'm gonna put no holes in the roof.
Oh, that makes sense.
So
So you're using double-sided tape?
yeah, I use 2 or 3.
It looks like you put it on the wrong side.
I didn't.
Okay.
There's some piece of wood got trapped in there, but is this home now?
I think 2, because if you put another one, it won't really have any contact. And each one of these is supposed to hold 35 pounds. So...
Oh, so we're good.
We had not planned on upgrading the Wi-Fi, but it was rough out there in those streets looking for a Starbucks. Check out our struggle.
What?
Line guard 360 plus.
Which sounds fancy. However, it doesn't come with internet.
I should tape these.
Oh. You should probably turn the electricity off.
No, it's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Don't do this at home, kids. With the electricity on.
2012 volts.
But you wouldn't even touch the fly zapper.
No, that's not regulated.
You're hooked up to city electricity, and you're talking about what's not regulated.
No. And pull this off, right?
You asking me?
I don't know.
So tell us a little bit about your setup.
I think wherever I stick this is going to be stuck there.
You can remove the tape by twisting and pulling. But with 2, I'm not sure how well that's going to work out.
So you're going to feed this through here.
Can't see because of the light.
And that should be good.
That thing is huge.
And crooked.
Let's see how easy it comes off. Ooh. Wait, pull it down and just turn it.
It's there now.
Ty.
I think I'm crooked.
Use the wall right here as like a level, straight thing.
That's fine.
This is its home now?
Yeah, it looks there.
So what's this little box called? What's this?
This is a wine guard.
They're all called Wine Guard. What's the box that you needed for the internet part?
Wine guard gateway 1000.
Ew, you made it dirty.
I'll wipe it off later.
What do you mean? You ain't never gonna wipe that off.
Red one here. Power.
I got caught on that.
4 is yellow, 5 is green. 4, yellow, 5 is green. 4, yellow, 5 is green. 4, yellow, 5 is green, and 2 is red because you did.
Oh, I could just read these to you.
No. I need to do the rhyme.
Should I step off in case you get electrocuted?
No.
And that way I don't get electrocuted too?
No.
Should we move the bed a little bit?
No. If you move the ceiling, that'd be great.
So, did we
Almost
do steps 1 and 2? Because this is only open to page 3.
Probably want to take a picture of this.
Picture of what?
No, it's on the front of the, it's on the front of the paper.
What? Is that our personal information?
Yeah.
Yep, we just put that on the internet.
There you go. That's it.
You connected it?
Yeah.
I didn't see any wires. Why you didn't take the sticker down, you ninny?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
What's the sticker?
You see that bright green sticker.
I probably should have put it over it.
I think that was the purpose of the screws.
The screws.
I think it's supported there.
That's not.
Anyway, is there any setup? No, I'm talking about where the sticker is. Because it says...
I don't know.
That's weird.
I don't know if there's any setup. I didn't get to that part in the book. I just posted that.
I think you might have skipped that
I
part.
downloaded the app though.
Yeah, because you started on step 3.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so what's next?
I think now we'll go to the app and set it up.
Let's take a
My
look.
mic sounds nice. Check 1. My mic. My mic. Check. My mic check.
Just go into the video.
Fine. First, you want to download the app, WineGuard Connect app. Then, look on the bottom of the gateway and log into that generic Wi-Fi. Then you could change that generic Wi-Fi. The first choice, I'm not going to say who picked it. It was the Boom Room, but we didn't go with that. Next, after you've set that all up, connect to whatever Wi-Fi that you want to connect to that's in the air and that you have the password to. And boom, internet.
We haven't had any further internet problems. At this price point, we better not have any in the future. So far, we stayed in the city, crowded RV parks, and we did some boondocking. So, I would say the WineGuard was worth the money.